These are the MCS Trendsetter picture poster frames here. This is the 2-pack. These are the 24 by 36 inch. Just wanted to highlight just how these all come in one piece. I just opened these up. They were basically wrapped in plastic back to back in really nice cardboard packaging. They do a really nice job packaging these. I'm a repeat buyer of this brand. I've used this for another project with some larger poster frames. It was like 27 by 40. Very pleased with it. They work really well. They hold up really good. But what I like about these is they come fully assembled here. When I was looking to buy the frames, a lot of these come in pieces, and then you got to put it together, and it's just not really a good situation. I like these because they ship them to you direct. They ship them nice package, and they're really easy to go. You could just get the poster or the picture in here, and you just take these off. You just flip these up here. The cardboard comes back, and then you just put it back down and just seal this all up here. It has assembly instructions if you need to see it, but it's pretty straightforward. It's got two different hanging mechanisms here, so you can hang it both ways. And another thing I like about these, it's got this little hook right here, whereas the other ones sometimes have the chew things where you have to run chew nails or a wire or something like that. So these just work really well. They're not too heavy, so they're definitely not going to be like the top of the line wood frame. This is a plastic frame right here, but it's perfect if you're looking to put a poster in here or a picture. Again, once these are up on the wall, they have a really nice look to them. The black finish on here looks great, and highly recommend these. Again, it's the MCS Trendsetter 24 by 36 frame. These are really great.